IB Economics, exploring the impact of COVID-19 on global trade and supply chains. Good morning/afternoon, fellow IB Economics students. Today, I want to talk to you about a topic that has been at the forefront of global news and economics discussions recently: the impact of COVID-19 on global trade and supply chains. As you may know, COVID-19 was declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization in March 2020. Measures such as lockdowns, travel restrictions, and social distancing have been implemented worldwide, leading to a significant disruption in global trade and supply chains. One of the most immediate impacts of COVID-19 was the disruption to global supply chains. Many countries depend heavily on imports and exports to sustain their economies, and disruptions to trade relationships have made it difficult for businesses to get the supplies they need and for consumers to access certain products. This has led to shortages of essential items such as medical supplies and increased prices for goods. Another impact of COVID-19 on global trade has been the decrease in demand for certain goods. As consumers have had to adjust to a new normal, their spending habits have changed, and demand for certain products has decreased. For example, demand for luxury goods such as high-end fashion or travel has decreased significantly, which can have a major impact on countries that depend on these exports. COVID-19 has also highlighted the importance of domestic production. As countries faced shortages in essential items, many have turned to producing these items domestically. This shift can lead to a more sustainable and self-sufficient economy in the long term, but it also presents challenges in terms of costs and efficiency. Another impact of COVID-19 on global trade has been the shift towards e-commerce and online sales. As brick-and-mortar stores have had to close or limit their capacity, many businesses have turned to online sales to continue serving their customers. This shift has led to an increase in demand for e-commerce services and logistics, which presents both opportunities and challenges for businesses. Finally, COVID-19 has highlighted the importance of international cooperation and coordination. The pandemic has affected countries around the world, and tackling it requires a collective effort. This cooperation can be seen in the efforts of countries to develop and distribute vaccines globally or in the coordination of travel restrictions and quarantine measures. In conclusion, COVID-19 has had a significant impact on global trade and supply chains. The pandemic has highlighted the importance of domestic production and e-commerce, and the need for international cooperation and coordination. As students of economics, it is important to understand these impacts and consider the ways in which we can adapt and respond to them in the future. Thank you for listening.